What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked T-bones. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's get started. So first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that your T-bones is dried off. I went ahead and did that off camera. We're going to go ahead and put a little olive oil on here before we put the seasoning. So go ahead, get you a little bit of olive oil. You're going to rub this in there. Make sure you do both sides. Go ahead and do your other one, or however many you got. Alright, after you do that, you want to go ahead and get your seasonings. We're going to just be using a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of sea salt, and I'm going to be using some of this right here, this garlic and herb seasoning. Go ahead and coat it up. Alright, flip it over, do the other side. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it right now. So we're gonna go ahead and take this and we're gonna go ahead and put it on your smoker. Be right back. All right, you guys, I got my pellet smoker at 200 degrees and we done reached the temperature. So we're gonna go ahead and place these T-bones on here. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. I'm trying to get to about 115, 120 internal temp, and then we're gonna take them off, and then we're gonna crank this thing up to about 450, and then it'll be time to sear them. So be right back. All right, y'all, timer going off. We done hit 115. I'm gonna go ahead and take these bad boys off, crank this pellet smoker up to 450. We're gonna go ahead and sear these bad boys. It'll be time to eat. All right, catch you in a minute. Okay, my grill is sitting at like 460, so it's time to put these bad boys on. And we're gonna sear them for about 3 minutes on both sides. All right, be right back. All right, y'all, I just took them off the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of butter on top of them, let them rest for about 10 minutes, and it's gonna be time to cut. It's gonna be time to eat. All right, catch you in a second. All right, y'all, there you have it. Smoked T-bone on a pellet smoker. Look at that right there. Man, your mouth should be watering right now. I know it is. So check that out right there. See, I like mine on the medium well side, which is exactly what I got. Still got that little bit of pink in there. That's exactly what I'm looking for. If you want yours a little more well done, you'll have to sear it a little bit more, just cook it longer. If you like yours more on the rare side, you're just gonna have to pull it off a little earlier. Ain't that much to it, just a little salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic and herb seasoning, and that's all you got. So appreciate you guys for watching. This is Mastablendz. My name is Trey. Hey, it's time to eat.